What's going on, everybody? Tim Miranda from the official VGod team here, and welcome to SaltNic's brand new YouTube channel. On this channel, we're going to be going over product reviews, what mouth-to-lung vaping is, salt-based nicotine, and more. In this video today, we're going to go over pod systems for mouth-to-lung vapors. Pod systems are high-resistance, low-wattage devices which allow you to vape salt-based nicotine. There are several pod systems on the market today which offer different functionalities and levels of convenience. Some systems have refillable cartridges, whereas some only take pre-filled pods that you throw away as soon as you're done with it. Right now in front of me, I have some of the hottest pod systems of 2018 that we're going to be going over in this video. The Soaring Air, the Soaring Drop, the Mylè, and the Stealth by Kato Vapors. Let's dive down and get a closer look at these pod systems. So the first product we're going to talk about is the Soaring Air V2. And like the rest of the devices in front of me, this is a mouth-to-lung draw. One of the most notable features on this device is the magnetic refillable cartridge, which holds 2 milliliters of juice. The Soaring Air V2 has a 16-watt output and is powered by a 400 milliamp hour battery, and has a micro USB charge port which supports pass-through charging. Next, we have the Soaring Drop. Similar to the Soaring Air, this is an auto draw device. It has a magnetic refillable cartridge which also holds 2 milliliters of juice, a micro USB charging port which also supports pass-through. It outputs 11 watts and is powered by a 300 milliamp battery. Next up, we have the Stealth by Kato Vapors. This is a mouth-to-lung device which features a refillable pod system that has a 2 milliliter juice capacity. Although it uses a micro USB to charge like the Soaring Air and Drop, it does not support pass-through charging. The Stealth has an 8-watt output and is powered by a 450 milliamp hour battery. The last device we're going to talk about today is the Mylè by Mily Vapor. And unlike the previous devices we talked about, the Mylè comes with pre-filled pods which can be disposed of as soon as you're done with it. These pods have a 0.9 milliliter juice capacity, and the Mylè is powered by a 240 milliamp hour battery and has an output of 8 to 9 watts. The Mylè can be charged with a magnetic USB charger that it comes with in the kit. So that was a brief summary of the hottest pod systems of 2018. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful in your quest to decide which pod system is right for you. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below of what you guys would like to see on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, these devices and all of our SaltNic juice is available online at saltnic.com. I'm Tim Miranda, and we'll see you guys next time.